Tesla Giga Berlin factory director argues for sick worker check-ins. Tesla Giga Berlin's factory manufacturing director, Thierig, believes that workers who are calling out are abusing Germany's social system. He also said that the company's plans to visit workers who have called out sick were positive, because workers taking advantage of the system are abusing it. Last week, we reported that Tesla workers employed at Giga Berlin were taking off a significant amount of time. Some reports indicated that there were workers who had abused the 6 weeks of leave that German policy allows, taking off on Fridays and late shifts to get a long weekend. Thierig said in an interview with The Guardian that people calling out of work was not a poor reflection on Tesla, but instead on the workers themselves who were exploiting the system. That is not an indicator of bad working conditions, because the working conditions are the same on all working days and across all shifts. It suggests that the German social system is being exploited to some extent. He also said visiting the workers was common practice and an appeal to the employees' work ethic. CEO Elon Musk even said he was looking into the issue after it became more public and was shared to X, his social media platform, last week. Union reps for IG Metall said that employees at the factory represented by the union have high workloads, and staff shortages turn into the company putting pressure on those who are ill to take on additional work. Giga Berlin employs over 12,000 people, and it opened in 2022. The factory is still in the process of being expanded to make way for more production. Tesla has crews on site that have removed trees and taken on the burden of identifying and destroying munitions from World War II that remain on the property after nearly a century. Tesla Giga Berlin munition search is almost complete. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.